Hello there again, people from YouTube. Welcome again to Learn MX Spanish. Let's see what we are going to check today. Today we're going to talk about descriptions. And to talk about descriptions, we need to learn some adjectives. At this point, we have checked only some adjectives to talk about nationalities. Maybe you remember that. Today, we are going to check specifically colors. And we are going to have some other link to other video where you can check some other adjectives apart from colors. And also, we are going to use everything that we have learned at this point from the last videos. So, if you don't remember how to use something, don't forget that you can always go to the last videos to refresh the information. Let's start. Maybe you remember this. All nouns in Spanish are always having a gender. And adjectives are not having gender, but when they are attached to a noun, they need to take the gender. Like with the adjectives we checked before, when we talked about nationalities. So, I can say, yo soy mexicano. This is the adjective, and this is describing me. It's describing my nationality, and it's masculine because I'm a man. So, we can also have this other example. Sofía Vergara es colombiana. Colombiana is the adjective, and this is the feminine form because she's a woman. We can also say, Jackie Chan es chino. Chino is the adjective, and that is the masculine form because he is a man. And let's compare this. So, él es Jackie Chan, él es chino. Ella es Devon Aoki. Ella es china. Chino, masculino, china, femenino. Let's check how we can use this with colors. Here and here we are having only some colors. Let's see what are the colors. Negro, rojo, blanco y amarillo. Verde, rosa, azul, naranja, café y gris. Some of these colors are able to change. Let's see how they change. So, let's use those first. Negro, rojo, blanco y amarillo. They could be masculine or they could be feminine, and also they could be plural, but let's stick first to the singular. Let's see how they change depending on the object's gender. So there we have two objects. Un reloj, una chamarra. Ese reloj es negro. Esa chamarra es negra. Masculino, femenino. Ese es un teléfono, esa es una bocina. Ese teléfono es rojo, esa bocina es roja. Masculino, femenino. Rojo, roja. Ese es un libro, esa es una taza. Ese libro es blanco, esa taza es blanca. Blanco, blanca. Masculino, femenino. And again, ese es un libro, esa es una fruta. Ese libro es amarillo, esa fruta es amarilla. Masculino, amarillo, femenino, amarilla. And those are the adjectives, the colors that are able to change depending on the gender. Let's see the other ones that are not going to change. Let's remember those colors again. Verde, rosa, azul, naranja, gris, café. And these ones are not having a masculine or a feminine form. They are not going to change. Let's see the examples. Ese es un plumón, esa es una pluma. So, ese plumón es verde, esa pluma es verde. Este animal es rosa, esa flor es rosa. Este zapato es azul, esa tarjeta es azul. Este plumón es naranja, la langosta es naranja. Este suéter es gris, esa camisa es gris. Este zapato es café, esa cartera es café. As you may be noticed, these adjectives are not changing depending on the gender. La flor es rosa, el animal es rosa. El zapato es café, la cartera es café. El suéter es gris, la camisa es gris. So we check the singular ones. Let's check the plurals and we are going to mix them. So, let's start with the first one. Ese libro es blanco. Esos libros son blancos. Esa fruta es amarilla. Esas frutas son amarillas. Ese zapato es café. Esos zapatos son cafés. Esa pluma es azul. Esas plumas son azules. La hoja es verde. Las plantas son verdes. Those are only some colors. And let's check some rules with these colors. So we have blanco and we have negro. We have azul and we have gris. Blanco y negro are ending in letter O. Azul y gris are ending on a consonant. If the adjective is ending on a vowel, we are going to add only a letter S if we want to make them plural, like blanco, blancos, or negro, negros. And if they are ending in a consonant, we need to add ES to make them plural, like gris, grises, azul, azules. If you want to practice this a bit more and also to learn some other adjectives, go to the other video. There you can also find some other exercise. Those other videos are focused on something else, on practicing what we have learned here. And about this video, that was all for today. Don't forget to give us a like if you liked the video for sure, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to ask something or if you want only to say something, use the commentary box below the video. Nos vemos en el siguiente video. Adiós.